Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share an activity book I made for my 4-year-old. Here schools are going to open in 3 weeks, so this is like a revision for him, and I also tried to introduce some new concepts. So let's get started. Here in the first page I just write down all the numbers from 0 to 100 for him to look at, and we also may use it as an activity to find the number. And here this is a simple addition, picture addition. Before you start addition with numbers, this is a nice concept to introduce to the kids, like they can see how many pictures, how many things are here, and then add it to the number of things to here and write down the number. Here you can see I used dot stickers in 1 2 3 4 5, and he'll write 5 here. The same thing goes with all of it, and he tried this already because when I was making this book he was here and he wanted to give it a try right away. So in here you see circle the biggest number, and I added a couple of numbers here, and he has to find the one which is big, like a largest number. See if you can see here 6 8 3 5 2, and 8 is the biggest number here, so here he'll circle the 8. Same goes with all of it. And in the same page add the circle the smallest number here. So here he has to find the smallest number and circle it. And as you can see I added 0 to 8 just for him to be a little confused whether 1 is lesser or 0. So this is nice way to let kids know that 0 has no value smaller than 1. And then here this is a simple one where he has to fill the blanks, like he has to write the number that goes next to 11, that goes after 11 or before 13. So, and I also add some of this, I also added the middle number, so he has to write what goes before and what goes after. So if he's not interested in writing the numbers all by himself, here I added this dot stickers, and I write the numbers on here. So if he's not interested in writing, he can just find the sticker, the right sticker, and put it in there. And the next one is dice counting. There's a simple addition activity too. Here he has to add both the dice and write the number here 1 2 3 4, and write 4 like that. And here I write some sequence of numbers starting from like randomly from 11 5 or 1 15 so on. And I added some wrong numbers in between the sequence, so he has to find the wrong number and circle it, and has to tell me which one is that. So here you can see 11 12 13, instead of 14 I write 10, so he has to circle this and say which number is missing. The same with everything. And then here I added left and right activities. So here some of these dolphins are going left, some of fishes are going right, and turtle added some water creatures. So what he has to do is he has to find all the things that goes left and circle them. While doing this activity we can talk more about left and right directions. So, and then here I added nice drawing activity for complete the picture. I try to draw some animal pictures in one half, and he has to try to mimic do the same thing this side. And I also gave him some blank space in the bottom, so he can freehand his own drawings. And this is the one he made it for me, so I have to finish. And then coming to the language activities, here I randomly write down some of the words on this page, and some of these words are made up words or silly words that doesn't have any meaning. So what he has to do is he has to go through all the words, try to read all the words, and find the words that are silly or made up words like this, so on. This is a nice practice for him to practice his CVC words. And then here I draw some pictures of some images, and then I gave him two options and he has to find the right one. So this is cat, so he has to see which word is right. So at, oh, this one is right, so he has to circle it. And further he can write the word here, at, so on. And this is the continuation with the same concept, like he has to see the image and find the word, and he has to find the right word. Ed, not bad, so he has to circle the bed and write the word here. And here I tried to include word search for him, and to make it easy, as he's just beginning it with this concept, I just made it 4x4 thing, and he has to find all these words and circle it. And then this is again complete the words. I added some images, and he has to, this is a nice practice for beginning words or ending words, so on. So here this is hat, and he has to write H here because hat. So same, net, an, ought, so p, ox, so x, so on. And then I made this one for rhyming words. I gave some words on left hand side, like dog, hen, bed, etc., and he has to find the rhyming word in this block and circle this. See, dog, log, dig, hug, wig, so on. A simple rhyming word activity. And then for the last page, I just want him to practice reading. Like he can read some of the Bob books all by himself, so I want him to encourage doing that. So I just added a few random sentences here so he can practice on his own, and we practice reading here. So that's it, guys. These are some of the things I added in the activity book, and I'm planning of doing more activity books because he's showing nice interest now. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching. Bye.